This question belongs to programming subject and was asked in GATE CSE 1989. So the question states, an unrestricted use of goto statement is harmful because of the following reasons. So what are the reasons? It makes it more difficult to verify program. It makes program more inefficient. It makes it more difficult to modify existing programs. It results in the compiler generating long machine code. Let us see the option B. What is it saying? It is saying it makes program more inefficient. No, goto has no rule in making a program inefficient, as adding a goto statement introduces a branch instruction, but assuming the same program logic can never be avoided, and even if it is replaced with the for, while, or if statements, we will still have a branch instruction. So option B is incorrect. Let us see option C. What is it saying? It makes it more difficult to modify existing programs. No, actually, using a goto kind of makes it easy to modify an existing program, as making the control flow from line, say, line number X to line number Y, X to Y, we can simply do a goto. We can do goto address of Y. We can just use a goto. This is much harder to do in a proper structured way. So this is also false. Let us see option D. Option D says it results in the compiler generating longer machine code. No, this is also false, as goto introduces only a single jump statement. As we have goto and address X, it will be replaced just by a jump instruction. Machine code will be its equivalent opcode for jump. So jump will be the equivalent opcode for goto, followed by the destination address. Here we will have the destination address where we need to jump, and the equivalent structural constructs will have longer machine codes. So it's false, as it's replaced just by jump and it is shorter machine code. And let us see option A. So option A, you can easily see a Wikipedia document regarding the same, which tells that option A is true. I will show you the document. So here is the document. Here you can easily see what option A was saying. Option A was saying that it makes it more difficult to verify programs. Okay, see from here, from this line, it's written, probably the most famous criticism of goto in 1989 letter by Edsager Dijkstra called the goto statement considered harmful. In this letter, Dijkstra argued that unrestricted goto statements should be abolished from high-level languages because they complicate the task of analyzing and verifying the correctness of programs. And this is what it is referring to. Thus, option A is true.